In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to continue an unfinished DocuSign envelope. If you started preparing an envelope in DocuSign, but didn't send it yet, don't worry. DocuSign saves unfinished envelopes as drafts, so you can come back later, pick up where you left off, and finish the process without starting over. I'll walk you through exactly how to find that draft and continue editing it. To begin, go to DocuSign and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. This is where you can access your documents, envelopes, and account activity. If you have multiple sections available, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing. From the dashboard, select Agreement. This section is where DocuSign organizes the envelopes and documents you're working with. After opening it, look for the Drafts option. Select Drafts to view any envelopes that were started, but not yet completed or sent. Once you're in the drafts area, find the unfinished envelope you want to continue. If you have several drafts saved, it may help to scan the titles or dates so you can identify the correct one more quickly. When you found the right envelope, click Continue. This will reopen the draft so you can resume where you left off. Now you can continue editing the envelope. Depending on what still needs to be done, you may need to add or update the document, check the recipients, adjust fields, or review the email subject and message that will be sent along with the envelope. This is a good time to make sure all the information is accurate, especially recipient details and any required signing fields. When you're done with those edits, click Next to move to the document preparation screen. Here, you can finish placing or reviewing any remaining fields and confirm that each recipient has the correct areas assigned to them. Take your time during this part because it helps prevent signing errors later. Next, complete the envelope by reviewing all required fields and recipient information one final time. Make sure nothing important is missing and that the signing flow is set up the way you want. A careful final review can save time and avoid the need to correct the envelope after sending. Once everything looks good and the envelope is ready, click Send. That will send the completed envelope to the recipients for review and signature. Thanks for watching.